Good morning. I hope everybody is having a beautiful morning so far. I'll be seeing 2 clients today and I want y'all to come along with me and just join the fun.
And I felt kind of weird because I'm like, well, what should I bring? He was like, nothing, I made everything. I'm like,
You're like, wow.
yeah.
And open and look up for me. Thank you. Loki could have made this at home, but it's the experience. It's the experience.
It's something different.
Yeah. Was Thanksgiving slow or chill for work? Agent stuff. I thought she was really young.
She is. She's only 5, but she's a big girl, so.
Okay. So she, they don't recommend her to jump so much, or what's
but
like
she
the
doesn't
recommend-
listen.
She don't. Like Toby too. Sorry.